Bob is the CEO of Happy Valley Hotels, a global hotel chain. Bob wants to stand out by having a single app which provides exclusive offers to his customers, like cab rides to the hotel, tickets for Broadway shows, restaurant reservations, as well as allowing for smart in-room controls from any device. Bob goes to see Alice, his dynamite solution architect, to create the app. Always a model employee, Alice tells Bob, "Consider it done." However, after Bob leaves, she begins to think about how difficult this project may be. To pull off what Bob wants, Alice's solution will have to interact with external partner solutions, while seamlessly integrating with Happy Valley's IT landscape. Alice's solution needs to deploy globally with zero downtime and allow seamless updates, provide strict data security, provide fine-grained traffic management, provide quick developer onboarding and authentication, and provide real-time monitoring and reporting. Can all this even be done? It can, with APIs and SAP API management. With APIs, Alice can streamline exposure of multiple services through a single application. And with API management governing those APIs, she can keep track of traffic, users, and developers. Now, Alice can tackle her three big problems: integrating external APIs, exposing internal APIs, onboarding developers. The external service APIs for taxis, restaurants, and Broadway shows are already available on the web for importing into SAP API management. One down already. For internal APIs, she contacts Brian, the back-end owner, to develop APIs to power the smart in-room controls. Brian realizes that the SAP systems with Gateway have a service catalog, which can expose services directly to API management with no system downtime. Boy, that was easy. Brian begins to worry that he would potentially be allowing access to critical internal systems by tens of thousands of unknown users around the world through multiple channels 24 hours a day. There's no way he can safeguard against damage due to potentially malicious or careless use of the services he is providing, or make sure there is no system overload from uncontrolled traffic. This is a nightmare for Brian. Alice reassures Brian that SAP API management is designed to be a simple, scalable, and secure single governance layer in between the external apps and his internal systems. All traffic will hit the API management layer first, and only controlled traffic will reach his systems. Now feeling reassured by the protection provided to the backends, Brian happily provides Alice with all the required APIs. Two down. Now that she has all the needed APIs, Alice logs into the API administrator account and creates the API proxies for the external discount services and in-room controls. She then adds security and throttling policies to the new API proxies. That should keep Brian happy. Using the state-of-the-art SAP API Management Developer Portal, Alice auto-generates documentation for her project. She then opens up the APIs only to Doug, the developer's email, and generates a notification message that she has a project for him. All Doug has to do now is sign up to get started. Doug reads the email and is skeptical, yet curious. Doug has heard about working with SAP backend systems and how archaic and complicated they can be to connect to in order to consume data securely. What kind of UI will he be forced to work with, and will it even be possible to apply multi-channel applications? Doug registers his account on the developer portal, where he finds clear, concise documentation on how to get started consuming data right away from any platform, and even sample calls to show him what to expect. Can it really be this easy? He is excited to find out. Since he is free to use the developer tools with which he is already comfortable, Doug is able to quickly create Bob's app in a beautiful format across multiple devices, and another SAP API management fan is born. Now that the app is running, Alice can generate reports of the traffic trends from the built-in analytics to help Bob improve customer satisfaction. Bob is thrilled with his new agile and powerful app. With SAP API management, Bob's business is now ready and enabled to provide the best hotel experience possible. SAP API management provides real value by enabling an easy way to discover, publish, manage, scale, and protect APIs. Real-time analytics and reporting help generate insights on usage of APIs to identify and capitalize on trends. Your IT team is able to focus on their work, letting SAP API management act as a bridge between non-SAP systems, classical SAP Business Suite services, modern SAP solutions powered by HANA, and the developer's multi-channel apps. Learn more about what SAP API management can do for your business. Visit sap.com for more information.